Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Zeus indicator. So let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. This is how the indicator looks like. For a buy signal, you're going to have the orange line cross above the red line, and for a sell signal, you're going to have the red line cross above the orange line. So we can say in this particular scenario, we had the orange line cross above the red line, and we had a bullish move afterward. And then when we had the red line cross above the orange line, we can see that we had a sell move afterward, right? But ensure that you always get confirmation before executing your trades. So when you get a buy signal, you can look out for maybe bullish candlestick patterns or price getting rejected from a demand zone, perhaps a support or perhaps a support zone, right? On the other hand, when you get a sell signal, you can look out for perhaps a bearish candlestick pattern or price getting rejected from a resistance zone. Okay, so the signal is straightforward. The crossover signals give you the crossover between the orange line and the red line tells you whether to buy or to sell. Okay, but you just also need to get your additional confirmations. You can consider using price action candlestick patterns or other indicators for additional confirmation. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.